When I got to about number 50, I realized that everybody, they were wildly different. They came from different parts of the world, different economic backgrounds. They didn't even know each other. And there were about 10 life lessons, 10 specific things that they all did, that were the same thing. So I thought I'd try my best to take and do every single thing they said. And today I want to share with you a couple of the ones that really affected me. The next thing I did that I learned was to stop living in the past. The day I decided to stop living in the past, and it is a decision that you make, and you got to stick to it. And when you do, your life will change. So what did I do? I thought, okay, I'm going to do what's going to work for me. So I'm going to put on my headphones, and I'm going to start hiking Fryman Canyon. And if any of you know LA, you know Fryman Canyon. Every day, I would think and feel and envision, believing, feeling, thinking, knowing that this was going to happen. So I started this journey 7 months ago. Do you want to hear what happened in 7 months?
Yes.
Miracles happened.